Hello everyone, I would love to share something that arrived in the mail today with you. Here it is, the new Florence and the Machine album, Everybody Scream. Cover is gorgeous. This is what it looks like from the front, and this is what it's like in the back. When we open it up, it's got a gorgeous picture of Florence. Section, and then inside we have this beautiful booklet filled with lovely photos. How gorgeous is Florence! Just look at this. Stunning. It's such a moody set of photos, which looks very ethereal, slightly spooky. They're very, very beautiful photographs. Then we have the musician credits, and this is also a poster. It's really cool. Then back to the record sleeve. I mean, how cool is this? Then this little something fell out of there. Oh wow! Oh, this is really cool. It's a velvet sticker. Feels really, really nice. So cool. And then the record is this lovely milky white. The record on the other side is the same. We just have a little peek. Is there anything else in there? Okay, nothing now. Well, I pre-ordered this record so I can get early access to the concert tickets. So I'm really looking forward to that, to the concert next year. I hope you got yours and you'll enjoy listening to it as much as I will enjoy listening to mine. And I think that's the next thing I'm going to do. Thanks for watching and have a lovely rest of the weekend.